Welcome to BTech Admission 2020 of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. This time, the entire admission process is online. In this video, we will be explaining the online process. So please listen carefully. Let's start. Open the browser and type www.rajagiritech.ac.in. You will be directed to Rajagiri website. Click BTech Admission 2020 from there. Here you will be able to visit a web page like this. From here, click Candidates Portal, College Merit. You will be directed to a page like this. Enter the application number and password here. Then you have to click Login. You will be directed to a page like this. Here you can see instructions to the candidate and few other links. From here, to proceed to the admission process, you have to report. Please report only during the allotted time period. To see the allotted time period, you can visit our Rajagiri website. The time slots are mentioned in the website. Now you will be directed to a virtual waiting room like this. From here, you will be directed to allotment desk when Rajagiri office permits. So please wait. The allotment desk, you will be able to view a screen like this. Here, branches will be displayed. According to your preference, you have to select a branch. Only available branch will be displayed at the time you enter. All these digits that you have shown right now is just for sample. When you enter here, whichever seats are vacant, it will be displayed. Here you have to choose a single branch according to your preference and press submit. Once you submit, there will be a confirmation link which is asking, do you want to submit? You have to press OK. Once you press OK, you will be guided to a web page like this. You are allotted to Electronics and Communication Engineering. That was the branch which I selected. And you have to wait for the allotment confirmation and to get the fee payment link. So please wait. You are now provisionally allotted in Electronics and Communication Engineering under Open Merit. This is just a sample. Here there are two options. If you are satisfied with the admission, you can proceed for Pay Now. Or if you are not satisfied with the branch allotted, you can go to Submit Your Higher option and then go to Payment. Now I have clicked Pay Now. Once I click Pay Now, I will be directed to a web page like this. Here you have to enter your application number in the field Here you have to select college fee first year in this field, and in the location student ID you have to type your application number and you can proceed. Okay, now you can proceed. Now I am just coming back and explaining entering your higher option. Here, now I am trying to explain submit your higher option and go to payment. This is a situation where you are allotted in a branch or you are not satisfied with that allotment. Here you can submit your higher options. There will be 3 higher options preference for you. You can choose any branch. Now you can go to submit and go to payment. You will go to the same screen that you have seen earlier. Once you pay the fee, then only your provisional allotment will be confirmed. So pay the fee as soon as possible. If you are in the allotment desk, you will be able to see the seats available. If there are no vacancy in your interested branch or branches, as per the vacancy status displayed in the screen. And you wish to quit by submitting your preference. You can click the button on the right side named "If you are not interested in proceeding, submit your preference and quit." Please click that. Here you can submit your preference. There are 3 preferences that you can submit. You can submit your preference and quit the entire process. Okay. Here you can see your options are registered. Admission to the selected branch will be informed as and when the vacancies arise. Before I conclude, few points to remember. Make sure you log in and report during your time slot. Your admission will start only after your reporting time slot. Time of admitting to allotment desk will depend on the number of students in the waiting room. So please wait patiently for your turn. Fee payment is online. Make all the arrangements for that. Thank you for your interest in Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. We wish you a bright future. Thanks and congratulations to RSoft, the web team of Rajagiri, who have developed the entire portal for online admission. Thank you once again. Bye.